Hi there, Dr. Fred Dietzen, Evoke Spinal Care in Pleasant Hill. I sometimes have people ask me if chiropractic works. And it's an interesting question to me because there's a lot coming out about placebos and a lot of other things just against chiropractic. And so I had a neat experience this weekend where a bird was hurt and got trapped inside of our garage. It seemed like a really young bird. There was a couple other friends or family or whatever they are chirping outside of our garage. And so I finally locate the bird and it couldn't fly. So I got something to help pick it up. And I tried to get it into the tree out front. It ended up falling down, and as I was going to pick it up, it tried to fly away, and it really couldn't fly. It would like almost skip as it was going along, and it ended up crashing into a car in my neighbor's house right across the street. And so I went over there, and I've heard of other chiropractors adjusting animals, adjusting birds, and that have crashed into windows. And so I gave it an adjustment at the top of the neck on its left side, between its head and its neck. And as I turned and looked back, the bird flew away, and it seemed like it was perfectly fine. And so, is there a placebo effect that can happen in an animal when we restore function of its nervous system? I doubt that. I don't think that that's the case. And so one of my observations, at least when I'm out networking, is I get people that are really big believers in chiropractic, or they say, they're questioning and wonder if it works. And this makes me think of the concussion situation that we have right now. We know if there's a brain injury or a trauma to the head, that can cause dysfunction throughout the body. And as an upper cervical chiropractor, I'd also question and wonder what's going on with the neck, and can we restore full function between the head and the neck. My name is Dr. Fred Dietzen, Evoke Spinal Care in Pleasant Hill. If you have a loved one, friend, or family member who has had a concussion, or their body just isn't working the way that it's supposed to, please feel free to give us a call. We'll take great care of them. Thanks.